Minister, there is always talk in the casino also. There is a topic. It will again mean damage for you.
सॉरी
नवं कसिनो येता म्हणून पयर सीसीबीन बोवाळ जालो
सर तुमच्यानी सांगलें सर रिलेक्ट जावन येता की तुमी 100 दिसांनी कसिनो आहा ते आपूण पांडवीतल्या काडटले
सो
म्हणून
ताजो इम्पॅक्ट जातलो.
तुम्ही आसलो हांव इलेक्ट जावन येयला तेन्ना माझे फर्स्ट वॉट वॉज माय फर्स्ट ड्युटी जर उदय मडकेकर विल बी देर उदय मडकेकर विल बी देर आफ्टर गेटिंग elected after 2 days basically we started on that process. I still remember what I had said. I am not running away from what I had said. Madkekar, that time Madkekar was the mayor. Madkekar, myself and Yatin Parikh, we three went basically to clear as far as near, I think near the footpath. That because which comes, encroachment comes towards the CCP side. We cannot go inside the because that doesn't come within our jurisdiction. What is the thing what they did? They basically filed a molestation cases against us. I'm just trying to tell you. So it is wrong to say that I did not do anything. And now as far as this renewal is concerned, I think in 2027 the renewal will be coming for this. That is the time we will see what is to be done.
So you will be opposing that.
सो तेन्ना तुमी लायसन्स
Baba, who can say what is happening tomorrow? Okay? So be rest assured.
But the
As
casino-
I had said, so it is wrong to say that I have done nothing. The first thing I did after getting elected was this.
सो
Because
फुडें
I tried what to do.
पूण फुडें ट्राय करतले तुमी कसिनो हांगच्यान वचपाक.
Baba, I am
Police
just
MLA.
trying to say, Koi, casino, Ospark and Yopark is nothing to do with me. Is one thing. Second thing, what I am trying to say, you go around, instead of you asking me this question, no, you go around and ask the businessmen of Panjim whether casino being there is affecting them or is giving additional this thing to their business. You ask them. If people of Panjim doesn't want, things will not happen. But you ask them also.
पूण पड पद्मश्री लोबो
See,
सरदेसाई
you are asking me too
तिणे
many
तिणे
questions
अपोज
which I am not even aware of. So
ती
please don't-
पणजेकर तिणे अपोज केले आणि बाकीचे आनी कोण येयल्ले पळय तेंच्यांनी अपोज केले.
100 दिसान काडटलो म्हटलं वयताना ते चिंतून येतले लोक पणजेकारांक जाय काय नाका ते.
अरे तुका हांवें सांगलें पळय वी हॅड स्टार्टेड द प्रोसेस देखून तुका सांगलें न्हू चिंतपाचें ना हांवें कितें उतर दिलें तें हांव पालोवंक भायर सरलोलो बट दीस इज वॉट वी गॉट अँड दॅट इज द टायम इफ यू लूक बॅक देर वॉज नो वन स्टँडिंग बिहायंड यू
ओके थँक्यू.
थँक्यू सो मच